Okay, so I wanted to give you some pointers on how to navigate through my Canvas site when you are on your dashboard in Canvas. So as soon as you go into Canvas, you are looking for Mitchell Grade 1. On some computers it looks green, some it looks blue, but you'll see a little book there and it says Mitchell Grade 1. You'll click right in there, that's my class. Go back to the beginning here. I double clicked. Okay. When you click into my class, you will see some announcements at the top. The number one button you'll want to go to each day is assignments. So you'll click on assignments and find today's date. So today we'll do tomorrow's lessons, the 20th. So Wednesday the 20th, you'll click on the day. At the top of that assignment page, this is everything you will need for the 20th. So you'll click here for their live meeting schedule. So you can click to see the live meetings for the day. We have a morning meeting at the beginning of the day, which flows right into our reading whole group. I'm actually taking these sight words out. Miss Monroe will not be meeting with sight word groups. But you will see different groups where their names are written in red. If you see your child's name written in red, that is a time that they need to be meeting on a live stream with me. There is a red group, a yellow group, green group, and blue group. If your child doesn't meet with Mr. Parnell, you won't see their names there. If they are not in a special intervention group with me, you will not see their names there. The 3 times that they will definitely need to be meeting with me each day is in the morning for their reading whole group live stream, for their small group, either red, yellow, green, or blue, and then again for their math whole group live stream at 2:05. They'll just click on the blue link each time. Now, going back to the 20th page, as you scroll down, you will see each job that they have for the day. Usually, each day there will be a video to go with their Saxon phonics lessons. In Miss Shoup's class, they used my same videos. So this is something that is very normal for them and very expected for them. They know what to do. Then you scroll right down and you will most likely see every day a writing lesson. The only days we'll skip these are on Mondays. You click on the writing composition book and your Nearpod lesson will open up. When you are finished writing in your journal that day, take a picture of it and send it to me on Class Dojo. Same thing with the Saxon phonics. When they finish their worksheet, send a picture of it to me on Class Dojo. Then they're expected to get on Lyrics to Learn for 20 minutes, Imagine Math for 20 minutes, and it tells you the instructions on how to log in. If they have Waterford, I'll be adding their name to our list of students who are offered that Waterford website. And then their job is to go into their sight word practice. So they'll click on the sight words button and you'll see all the sight words for first grade. After talking with Miss Shoup, I'll be able to give you a more clear idea of which list your child should be working on. So each day you'll see their list of jobs and you will see their schedule at the top of the page. If you have any questions, please feel free to always reach me on Class Dojo. You can also give me a phone call in my classroom if you need to, or I'm on office hours at 8 o'clock each morning as well. I'm excited to have your child in my class, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. Hope this helps.